Recipient sites. Why this matters more than you think. So when you go to a hair surgeon, one of the things you're wondering is, what is the hair surgeon's experience? What is this team's experience? How do they harvest hair? But perhaps one of the most critical elements is the recipient sites. The recipient sites is how each individual hair is going to be directed and where it's going to be located. In some places, believe it or not, the hair surgeon doesn't make a single hair recipient site. This is against the Code of Ethics for the American Board of Hair Surgery and the International Board of Hair Surgeons, and basically any society. So in my opinion, every hair site should be made either by the surgeon or with the surgeon's supervision. For us to do this, you really need to have a couple of qualified doctors to do this. And in my practice, it's me and Dr. Samia. Both of us work together, and both of us are super passionate about hair, and it's the details about hair that really get us excited. So when you're talking about the difference between quality hair recipient sites and sort of just throwing hair sites on there, a lot of it's in the details. This is going to be the direction of the hair. Is the angle of the hair proper? Is it just popping straight up so it can be a giveaway for hair grafts? Are the hair sites, are they following the natural direction of the hair fibers as it curves into the temple? Are the hair sites following your natural whirl into your crown? Are they creating a volumetric difference, or are they just sort of laying flat, or are they obviously placed? And where are you putting grafts that have more than one hair graft in it versus the single hair grafts? So for us, this is a super intricate part of our design process, something we take very seriously. If you're having your hair done and if you notice, hey, I just saw the doctor once and I never saw him after that, you probably had a technician making your hair sites, and it might be one of the reasons why you may not be happy with your hair transplant results.